We're making almond milk, guys. So welcome back to the channel again, and today we are going to be making almond milk. So my husband is lactose intolerant, and this is the only milk he can take. So we're just going to make it. First, I'm going to pour my almond seeds into a bowl, and I'm just going to add some water to it and soak it for a while, probably 24 hours, so I can peel the skin easily. So that's the reason why I'm soaking it. And this is just the after product of soaking. Now it's been soaked, and I'll need to peel the skin of the almond milk. So after peeling the skin, this is what I get. I get the almond seeds. They are white. And now I'm just going to take it straight into the blender and add the quantity of water that I want for the milk. So if you want it thicker, you can add more water. So this is me blending the almond seeds to the smoothest I can get. And while I'm done, I'm just going to sieve it and get my almond milk from it. It is as simple as that. So what do you guys think? Will you be taking almond milk? It is a great replacement for the regular cow milk, and this milk was thoroughly enjoyed by my husband. Trust me, it was worth the whole stress. So in case you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, and if possible, switch on the notification bell. This is the shaft, and I'm going to be using it to bake